Welcome to lockpicking legend, the Master Excell lock. See on the left there, it's got a 9 rating out of a possible 10. 9. Whoa. Now, among lockpickers, Masterlocks are a bit of a joke. Although, if you spend money on them, the joke is on you. And I'm going to take you through a few ways of getting into this, which will just blow your mind. You know, it's as if they designed these locks to not function. They're not fit for purpose. It's just absurd. It's got this little sort of keyway cover. I'm not even going to take it out of the bag. Yeah, I'll use a little hook pick here. Wonder how many hours it will take me to SPP it. I mean, you know, if you want to learn about binding, the difference between the binders and the non-binders is just ridiculous. So, you know, that's almost like a self-picking lock there. Master Excell 9. All right, we'll lock that up again. What should we hit it with next? Yeah, the old city rake. Can't beat a city rake. Oh. There you go. Quicker than the key. Yeah, quite amazing. We'll try a Bogota. Quicker than the key. I mean, I laugh, but it frustrates me because people buy these things to protect their family and their property. Oh, that's nice. That was a nice little hook pick rake. Great. You know, they'll fix this onto something and think, well, at least it'll be safe. At least my new lawnmower will be safe. This is a comb pick. Comb picks allow you to exploit a design fault that allows you to push both sets of pins over the outside of the plug, which will, of course, lets the plug turn. It's such a basic fault. Oh, and what a surprise. The Masterlock Excell 9 out of 10 security. could be exploited with a comb pick. These are auto jigglers. These are car locks. These are for car wafer locks. You barely get it in the keyway, but once you can, give it a little wiggle and a jiggle. And the Master Excell 9 out of 10 security. I'm lost for words. What else have we got here we can try on it? Here we go. I'll pop in a little tension wrench. And we'll get out the old bobby pin. Not even the curly whirly side, just the straight side. Yeah, just move it up and down. Who designed this? Where's the security? I'm sure the bloke that designed it has got slightly better security on his house. Put the chrome off in. Hardly worth pulling the trigger. This is 9 out of 10. I'd hate to see their 1 out of 10. This is a ring pull from a can of dog food. Go on, get in there, Rover. I mean, that was just to humiliate. If there was any humiliation left in this lock, 9 out of 10.